Hey guys, it's Dr. Clerge. I'm a chiropractor and I'm here today with Dominice.
Hello guys.
Alright, in the military as well,
I am.
right? Okay, alright. So tell me a little bit more about that.
Okay, so I've been in the military for about 6.5 years now. I just returned from a 1-year-long deployment in Africa.
Wow.
And so the mattresses that we slept on were not comfortable at all.
I see.
So I have a little pain going on.
I see. So you were telling me neck, mid-back, lower back.
Correct.
All that is sore, right?
Yes.
And have you ever been to a chiropractor before?
Never.
Never?
So I'm excited.
Excited
but nervous.
Right, a little nervous. So we gotta make it a good one.
Right.
Okay, I got you. So I'm gonna assess your movements first, okay?
Okay.
I wanna see how you're moving, and then we'll do a few ranges of motion.
Okay.
Based on that, I'll know what to do.
Got it.
But more than likely, we're gonna stretch you out first, and then we'll do the adjustments.
Okay.
Okay?
Sounds good.
Let me have you bend and try and touch both feet for me. Let me know how that feels. If you feel any discomfort, soreness, pain, you're trembling a little bit. Is that a bit uncomfortable?
I feel it right here.
Okay,
so.
in your hamstring. Okay,
Yeah.
I understand. Yeah, because that's. Do you stretch often?
No.
Not really?
Not like I should.
I got you. Okay. Now let's have you extend. So you're going to go back. I'm going to hold you just in case, okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go back. All right. So I am going to flex the head and neck and palpate the spine at the same time. I'm going to go back. All right, let's go side to side. And to the other side. Okay, perfect. So since you're not in a lot of pain, basically what I'm assessing for is mainly alignment, okay?
Okay.
Now I'm gonna apply some pressure. Any pain with that? No?
No.
Okay, pressure. Go to the other side, pressure. No aches and pains, no soreness, nothing like that?
No.
Okay. Now, I'm gonna palpate your muscles in the mid-back area. How's that?
That actually feels good.
That actually feels pretty good? Okay, all right, gotcha. And lower back. How's that?
That's okay.
That's okay. All right, I'm gonna have you extend for me. Good. How's that? Not too bad?
Not too bad.
And let's have you go forward and flex. How's that? Not too bad?
Not too bad.
Okay. Now I'm gonna have you cross your arms, and I'm gonna rotate you and bring you backwards. Okay, let's go to the other side. Rotate and bring you back. How's that? Not bad?
Not bad.
Okay. All right. So you can cross your arms. We're going to stretch you out first, okay?
Okay.
And then after that, we'll get started with all the adjustments.
Okay.
All right. You want to keep this on?
Yes.
Okay. All right. That's cool. All right.
Got my deep conditioner.
That's cool. Let's have you on your back. I think hamstrings were tight when you flex.
Yes.
So we're gonna start stretching your hamstrings first, okay? All right. Is that okay so far? Not too bad? All right.
You need to do that more often.
More often, right? Yeah, this leg is coming up. Okay, deep breath out. We're stretching piriformis, hip, and side joints, okay?
Okay.
This leg is coming up, and we're going across. Good. Not too bad, right?
Not too bad.
Not too bad. Okay, got it. And we're going across. Okay. Let me know when you start feeling tight already.
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna hold your hip.
Okay.
That way I feel like if you're tensing up, I know not to push out.
Okay.
Okay. Take a deep breath. Out. One more time. Out. All right. Now, this leg is coming up like this. You're gonna take this and you're gonna cross it right on top. There you go. Perfect. All right. We're gonna stretch. Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready? If it gets uncomfortable, let me know. Okay.
All right.
All right. So now, let me have you come up. Good. And I'm going to stretch both your hamstrings and part of the lower back.
Okay.
So what you're going to do, you're going to take both hands and reach like you're trying to touch your toes. And I'm going to go ahead and push you forward. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. Now, you've never been adjusted before,
Never.
right? All right. So the key is to relax, all right?
Okay.
And I'll walk you through it.
Okay.
Okay? All right. I'm gonna contact the occiput right in here.
Okay.
You're gonna rotate your head this way. Now, what you're going to do is drop your head in the palm of my hand, okay? Good. All right. Now, the key is to just relax as much as you can, almost like you're going to sleep, okay? All right. So, what I want you to do is just relax for me.
Okay.
Relax, relax. Okay, relax, relax, relax.
Oh my gosh. Whew.
All right.
Okay.
Now, there it is. All right, Dominique, now come on up. We're gonna do the head and neck movements all over again, and let me know how you feel overall.
It really feels like my head is gonna fall off.
It feels so light.
It's so light.
Yeah,
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So before, even though you didn't have pain, now you see the difference between the movements.
Yes.
Right? Okay.
And usually I hear something like
Popping.
Yeah. Now I don't hear anything.
Perfect.
Okay.
All right, so now we're gonna have you face down. So we basically took care of upper cervicals from the occiput to about C4, C5.
Okay.
Now we're gonna focus on the lower cervical, C7, T1, C6, C7, T1, and T1 is actually where the thoracic starts, upper thoracic. So we're gonna focus on that area, okay? T1, T2, C6, C7. So now. And basically, what I'm saying, C is for cervical, which means the neck. See how you can turn your head all the way back, right? And then T is for the thoracics, where your upper back, mid back.
Okay.
All right. There we go. Perfect. Felt that pop, right?
Yes.
Yep.
I do.
Okay. So we got everything as far as the neck goes. Come up. What I'm going to do, I'm going to reach in. Good. You're going to take both of your hands, interlock your fingers, and put it on top of my hands.
Sorry.
There you go, perfect. Okay, so squeeze your elbows and then lean back on me. Now keep squeezing your elbows, keep squeezing. Okay, perfect. Now, not a lot of popping on this one, because I guess this was real tight.
Yeah.
So let's do it a different way. I'm gonna have you sit and face the wall right here for me. Cross your arm like this. Good. And we're gonna go back down. Ready? Good. All right. I want you to take a deep breath, blow it out. One more time, deep breath, out. There it is. You felt that pop?
I did. I felt that.
Yep, come up. There you go. So there are different ways to adjust the thoracic spine. Sometimes when it's real tight, that standing adjustment won't work. So we have to do it A to P, anterior to posterior, and put a little bit more pressure.
Okay.
Okay? So do that movement. Let me know how you feel. That's pretty good. Palpate your lower back. All right, you have to rotate. Good. Rotate again. Okay, good. I'm gonna have you on this side. You're gonna be on your side. You're gonna be facing this wall.
Okay.
Okay.
I feel like I'm going to sleep.
It feels that good. After that, they get to do massage and they're gonna put you on the traction table. You're gonna feel really good after that.
Okay.
All right. So, I'm gonna square your shoulder up. Good. I'm just going to position you. Have you come closer to the end of the table? Perfect. Good. All right. So now this leg, and I'm touching, is going to be straight. I'm going to bend this leg, bring it all the way towards your chest. There you go. Good. Now, I want you to relax as much as you can, okay? I'm going to palpate your lower back. All right. So I want you to relax for me. Should be able to twist you, just relax. Relax. That, you felt, I heard it all over there. Yep. Across your arms, let me know how that feels.
Okay, I'm still like in shock.
In shock, right? All right, one more.
That was different.
That was different, huh? All right, let's come to this side. Good. Perfect. Good. All right. You're gonna come closer to the end of the table. Perfect. Good. This leg is straight. I'm gonna take this leg, bend it, bring it all the way through your chest. There you go. Good, good, good. Now, key is to relax, okay? I'm gonna palpate your spine. All right, I want you to relax for me. Good, relax. There it is, perfect. Good. How do you feel?
Like a noodle.
We're gonna do stems. It's electrical muscle stimulation.
Okay.
Kind of help for muscle recovery, and it increases blood flow to the muscles.
Okay.
We're gonna do it for the upper and lower part. And after that, the girls are gonna do hand massages for you.
Okay.
Okay? And we want to put you on an intersegmental traction table. It's a roller table. It goes up and down. It actually creates more motion by putting more movement into the joints, okay?
Okay.
All right, Dominique. So this is electrical muscle stimulation. And basically, it increases blood flow to the area that we're placing the pads on. And it's also good for muscle recovery, okay?
Okay.
Since we did a lot of stretching,
Right.
so we're trying to make sure everything recovers well. You'll feel some, like a tingling sensation. When you feel it, let us know.
I'm starting to feel it.
Okay, that's good. All right, so now we're gonna start the table.
Okay.
So how does that feel?
This feels great.
Feels pretty good? All right, so we'll check with you in about 15 minutes or so.
Okay.
Okay? If you wanna take a nap, relax,
Yes.
whatever it is you wanna do,
Okay.
and then we'll check back with you, okay?
All right, sounds good.
You got it.
I just turned off the lights. This thing feels amazing. Oh my gosh.